The three types of storage are block storage, file storage, and object storage. Block storage divides the data to be stored in evenly sized blocks. It is suitable for storing structured databases, random read and write loads, and transactional databases where parallel processing takes place. Parallel processing means many users can access data at once. Okay, so suppose we have a block of data. In block storage, the data is evenly divided into chunks first and is then stored randomly. Block storage does not contain metadata of its data blocks. Metadata means the properties a data carries. For example, the data chunk, when it is created, when it is modified, or even its content type. So, block storage only keeps the address of where the blocks are stored. If you use a computer or laptop, you must have definitely come across a file system. File level storage is the type of storage where data is stored in a hierarchical folder or file structure. A file is stored as a whole, but it can be nested. Applications or users know where everything is stored based on the location and name of the folder or file. Object storage or object based storage is a flat structure in which the data is kept in a single repository instead of being kept as files or as blocks on servers. Object storage handles large volumes of unstructured data along with its metadata and stores it as a whole, unlike block storage. It does not allow a hierarchical or nested structure unlike the file storage. Object storage can be a file, movies, images, videos, or even metadata. The size of the object can be as large as 10 GB to even as small as 1 MB. Each object is represented by a globally unique ID through which the data can be retrieved. Object cannot be mounted as a drive. It is accessed through internet. Whereas in block storage, blocks are mounted on the drive. Examples of object storage are Amazon S3 and Dropbox.